Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is March the 11th, 2021. We're going to give you all the price prediction for Roblox. It is a new product that has just launched on the stock exchange yesterday, and we're going to make a determination as to whether or not one should come in and purchase some shares at the current price, or can we expect the market to go lower in price. We're also going to give you all what is the difference between an IPO versus a direct listing, which Roblox chose to go through direct listing rather than the traditional IPO area. And then we're going to take this real quick look at our portfolio. You all can see that we've seen a massive pop for one of our stocks in this portfolio, which in fact we're going to go ahead and take the profit out the market for that particular stock. All right, so let's go ahead and before I get started on all this, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel. We're not here to give you any confusion. We're not here to hype anything up to you. We simply pay attention to price. That's it. And the price is generated and moved by the market specialist or the market maker who is on the bottom left side of my screen. He is the one you need to be on the guard for because he's trying to take your money, period. Everyone is in the market to take money for someone else, and everyone cannot all win. Everyone cannot win all at the same time. You're going to have your winners and your losers. For us, we got to alleviate that and make sure we be watchful of what he does because he's trying to take our money. So we need to take it right back. That's how this game is played. All right, so the one stock that we're going to take out of our simulated portfolio because we've seen some massive gains since we added it here is right here, Aveo Pharmaceutical. You guys saw our video yesterday. That market was down, and now 71.49% the market is up in this particular stock on the close from yesterday. We need to take this off and take that profit and walk out the store. That is very substantial to see in the market for Aveo Pharmaceutical. So let's take that off. We're going to remove it, and now it is done. So now we have 5 stocks in our portfolio that we are tracking in the long term. And so far you can see everything is in the green, which is pretty good. We're going to update this portfolio on the weekend. We're going to see whether or not we're going to take more of these stocks out of this portfolio and which one we're going to add to it. So make sure you stay tuned for that over the weekend. So now let's break down this Roblox situation. Okay, this is an article from Barron's with the title Roblox sets date to go public through a direct listing. All right. Now, direct listing is a company looking to raise interest-free capital from the public by listing its own shares. They got 2 options. Okay. Direct listings are also known as direct placement or direct public offerings. In this process, the company sells shares directly to the public without getting help from the middleman. That's the difference. IPOs, initial public offerings, have underwriters, and those underwriters create the shares and they sell them out to the public. Well, with direct listings, there are no new shares that are created. Right here, you guys can read it. There are no new shares created, only the existing shares. Outstanding shares are sold with no underwriters involved. This is the route that Roblox decided to take. They decided to go ahead and sell their own shares in the market. Okay. Companies that want to do a public listing may not have the resources to pay underwriters. So this could be one reason why Roblox went ahead and decided to do direct listing. Or they may not want to dilute or lessen the value of their existing shares by creating new ones. And they may want it to avoid lockup agreements. Companies with these concerns often choose to proceed by using the direct listing process rather than an IPO. Okay. So now they decided to do direct listing for wherever the case may be. Understand that the market in Roblox has no underwriters. They have no lockup periods, meaning that those early investors in this company who has ownership of shares, they can literally now come into the market and sell. They don't have to wait 6 months, 9 months to a year to keep those shares prior to them selling it. They can automatically go into the market and sell this product to everyone else. As you can see, this is the first day right here on the price chart in the market for Roblox. Now, obviously, the market is too fresh. It hasn't really created a firm area of support and restriction. So in this particular video, we're simply going to show you the anticipated price movement of Roblox. And as we dwindle this down to smaller time frames, we'll see whether or not the market is actually garnering a lot of interest and demand, or are those initial investors, the ones who came into the market with the shares, are they now selling in the market? So you can tell that the market in Roblox currently on the varying time frames is already seeing a lax in demand. We're already seeing the creation of a downtrend. We have to be cognizant of that fact. So we are in a downtrend into the market in Roblox, and we're going to simply continue to follow that mantra. Okay, the market never lies. The only way you get this wrong is you simply interpret whatever you're looking at on the price chart incorrectly. That's all. So the downtrend is in play. I can already tell that there are two areas of restriction into the market in Roblox. This is the first one right there around $72. This is the second one. These areas are going to act as restriction, $70. Okay, you can see that those are the two areas that we are seeing on the smaller time frame that's going to act as restriction in the market in Roblox. You can see even better here on the 5-minute time frame. This is where the market in Roblox opened, right there, around $70 per share. Now, on one of these articles, I think it was here, when Roblox was trying to go public, Roblox is seeking to sell almost 199 million shares, but has not specified a price. In January, the company sold nearly 12 million shares of convertible preferred stock in a private placement at $45 a share. So this may be the location to where the price is going to go into the market in Roblox, right? So we definitely can see a massive drop occur into the market in Roblox. Now, as of this particular moment, I don't see any demand being garnered in Roblox. So obviously, this is an opportunity just to surveil the landscape, to wait until the trap comes in and shows us that he's really into the market, propping up this price to where we found the bottom. Because right now we're dropping. We haven't found that support area yet. So, I mean, do you? But as of this particular moment, we just need to sit the sideline, watch the market trade in Roblox and see, because you'll be able to tell where the market is going to find support. And based off this light volume, based off the first day, it is too early to get that indication. So what we're going to do into the market right now, we're just going to simply sit the sideline. We are anticipating, though, that the market in Roblox is going to go lower in price. Okay, so we could do a small prediction into the market on a 5-minute time frame in Roblox and expect the market to go lower. I like this area. From what we already have on the price chart, $69 can be support. Okay, which is about 0.75% profitability. Is not much, but we can actually see this market in Roblox continue to drop in price, and we can actually see it come all the way down here to the close and open right there. Okay, so we could hold that there in the market in Roblox. So we're going to play this on the 5-day time frame. 5-minute. No, scratch that. Let's play this on the hourly time frame in Roblox. Okay, and we'll come back into the market in Roblox and see what occurs. Let me extend this out a little bit further so we get enough opportunity to allow this market to trade against it. So yeah, we're gonna play this on the hourly time frame. Like I said, we haven't found the bottom just yet because the trap hasn't visualized or shown us his footprint as to where price is going to go. All right, so Going to play the weakness until we see that come to fruition in the market in Roblox. Definitely let us know what you all expect to see in Roblox with a comment in the comment section. I mean, at what price would you step into the market and purchase this particular new product? Make sure you maintain that profitability, and as always, trade different.